Hi, my name is Leon. I'm the business director of Dairies, and I'm also the second generation owner. And we own Singapore's only dairy goat farm. So at the new site, which is at Neo Tiew Crescent, the things that the nation can look out for will be that we'll be trying to go with the solar movement, we'll be harvesting power. If possible, we might want to achieve taking zero power from the grid, to be totally self-sustainable on power, if that's possible. And also on water, as you know, water is very precious to our nation. So we're going to have a simple system to recycle back our grey water so that we can use it like for washing of the barns, washing of common areas. So that'll be a way to recycle the water. One more key concern will be the animals' waste. So the waste part, we'll be also doing a natural compost system, whereby we will compost the goat's manure to organic fertilizer, and then we will see we can work with some of the nurseries or the landscape companies to use our waste as part of their landscaping projects.